Hi, Raymond Whittaker from VivaMK. Let's see what our customers are buying. Just going to unbox a delivery. So, see what's inside the delivery. Got some tomato grow. Got some spider repellent. Got some fridge magnets. Got a spoon, utensil holder for when you're washing up. Got a trigger for the spider repellents. So also I've got some makeup. Some makeup from Beauty UK. So we've got some concealer. Got some glitter. Got some lip gloss. Got some concealer control. Got some nail varnish. Got some got a eyeliner. And we've got some nail art. And then here we've got a personalised coffee mug or a coffee cup. So thank you for watching and see you next time.